Cracked tooth syndrome is a term we use to describe the recurring discomfort, sensitivity, or pain in a tooth caused by an incomplete fracture or crack. You may realize that you have cracked tooth syndrome if you find yourself chewing only on one side of your mouth. Your teeth are sensitive to hot or cold temperatures, or sweet or sour foods. You feel a sharp pain when chewing, or the pain you feel is intermittent rather than constant. Teeth can crack for a number of reasons. One is that they endure a tremendous amount of pressure from biting and chewing every day, and as teeth age, they may lose some of their original strength. The heavy stresses of clenching and grinding, as well as chewing on ice, unpopped popcorn, hard candy, and other hard objects can also weaken teeth. Teeth also lose strength when tooth structure is lost, as with large fillings or root canal therapy. And finally, teeth can crack due to an injury or accident. To diagnose cracked tooth syndrome, we'll do a thorough examination. Since tooth fractures are almost always invisible to the naked eye, the exam typically includes X-rays. However, it's possible that X-rays may not reveal the crack, so we may also analyze your bite to isolate the problem. Once we've identified the fractured portion of your tooth, the treatment we'll use depends on the location and direction of the crack, as well as how extensive the damage is. Some cracks affect only the outer enamel layer of your tooth, in which case we'll remove the affected portion and restore it with a crown or onlay to stabilize the tooth and protect it from further damage. But if the crack affects the deeper dentin or pulp layers, the tooth will need root canal therapy before we place the crown. In rare cases, the crack extends all the way through the tooth and under the bone, and there is no way to restore it. In this case, we must remove the tooth and talk with you about your options for replacing it. Fortunately, with early diagnosis and treatment, most cracked teeth can be saved and your healthy smile restored.